and it's attainable. This is her new favorite snack.
Down in the kitchen, watching TV. You were the music that led me to the city.
So I did get a few dresses from Lulu, so I thought I would share it with you guys. So here's my new mirror as well. I'll probably have a video out about it hopefully by now. So yes, it's super cute. It reminds me of like Ariana Grande, and the back is open. So I want to wear it with like chunky sneakers, and I think that would look super cute with like a cool bag. So this is this one. I really like it because it's super easy to throw on and you really don't have to do much. Plus you have like all the space to eat in it, and I really like it. So that's this one, and I'm gonna throw on the other one. Here's the other dress that I got. I've been really liking blue dresses. It has these really cute frilly details, and you can also put it off the shoulder so it looks super cute. And yep, this one's really cute as well. And this is the last dress. It's a red dress, so it's a little different from the blue ones. It has this really cute frill at the sleeve, and it's really loose and breathable, so I really like it. I love the detail in the back. If I could show you guys. You can tie it to adjust how tight or loose you want it. I really like that, so when I start the day I can like cinch it in, but then if I eat I can loosen it up, and it's kind of adjustable in that sense, so it's super cute. So yeah, I love these items. These were the items. I'll definitely link them down below and tell you guys what size I got. Sorry if it's a little noisy. I had to open the window because it got hot. But yeah, these are all super cute. I love them. I can't wait to wear them. Thank you to Lulu's. They did send these to me, but these are my own opinions. And of course, I will link everything in the description box down below. So definitely check it out if you're interested in any of these items that I picked out. Yeah. Hi guys, so today is a more exciting day. I'm actually going to finally see my friends today. Today's probably the first, yeah, today's the first day we're going to see each other, so I'm gonna be a little shy. But yeah, we're gonna just have a picnic, still try to social distance from everyone. I think we're picking up food and then we're gonna go picnic. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you my outfit. I think it's really cute. I feel like there's so many things I've been wanting to get, so these are some of the things I've been wanting to get. I've been wanting to get a little bit of a longer high-waisted short, kind of like mom shorts. I just feel like it's more in, plus it's more coverage and more comfortable for me. And then I've been seeing a lot of these button-down tops, and this one's loose and cropped, so it's super cute, and it's in this like really lovely muted green color, so I really like it. I also got a new pair of gold hoops. I guess I'm mixing metals because I'm too lazy to switch these out, and I still really like them, but I get that they don't match. But for some reason I like gold earrings. I think I just haven't bothered to look for a gold necklace. So yep, and I'm probably gonna wear my sneakers. I also got new pairs of sunglasses. They're from Amazon because like I'm really rough with sunglasses, and I don't like, the only nice ones I have are from Ray-Ban. Yeah, my room's a mess. But yeah, it's in this bag. I have this bag today. So I have my sunglasses in this little pocket in the bag. So I've been seeing a lot of angular sunglasses, so I wanted to get a pair of my own, and these are really nice. I got a ton actually just to try them on, so like there's a bunch over here, but I like 2 of them, and this is one of them. I'll try to link it down below. I like that it looks really cute when you have it up on your head too. Yeah, I just feel really good today. I like my outfit today, you know. It's hard because I never really wear real outfits anymore. Here it is with the bag. Super cute. Okay, I'm still here waiting, but that's fine. We know what time we're meeting up, which is about 15 minutes, but in girl time, that's probably like 45 minutes. So I just want to let you guys know I am actually bringing a pair of like sweat shorts because later today I'm going to go eat hot pot at Cody's extended family, like his aunt's house. So, you know, your girl needs some room to stretch. I mean, I could stretch in these, but it would be uncomfortable, so I just brought these as a second option. So I'm now packing my extra bag. So I have this bag from Glossier, so I'm packing this. I also have this like cloth bag. Cody and I use it at the beach, but I'm just packing it because it's the only thing I have for like a picnic. I know I'm not gonna be that comfortable, so I'm just gonna have to live with it. Yeah, unless I can find a towel between now and then, but I don't think so. So yeah, so I have this, and then I have this. Yeah. I'm getting hungry though.
I just washed this blanket too.
I'm vlogging you taking your sock off.
Early in the morning, down in the kitchen.
Yeah, the bread. You need it to eat. I can't see it. Oh, look how cute we are. Is there napkins? I can't fit everyone. Yeah. Oh, I love that. No, it's okay. If you're wearing gloves and you want me to bite your clean gloves. God. That's how I eat my chips now. Oh my God.
My sister ate her chips when she was at work.
So we
even
have
before the pandemic,
fries.
so she can type.
We have Nan. Bye. Nan's my model. Yay.
What?
Okay. You're so ready.
I'm ready for this.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I can't pick one. Sorry, I thought you guys were just hanging out. Alright, give me a sec. Hi. Hello. So cute. How do you say this in Canada? You said it.
No, she said it.
Name. I looked up to you, brother, even when you lost your...
My new favorite.
Thank you.
And it's attainable. This is her new favorite snack. Where can you buy it? It's in the Long Island one.
I'm never gonna go.
I know.
Up to that part, and then I
Um,
just can't wait to.
I was so mad. I didn't buy turnips this week because I was like, it's too much work. And then my turnips were $5.90.
they're talking
My sister
about
got rich off.
emerald crossing. I can't relate. I want to relate.
Get the light one.
I feel like it's too late. It's too late for me.
Why?
Why, you going out?
No, I feel like you guys are like so ahead. Like
No, we never play.
I'm not even up
I
to
play more because I don't.
turnip buying.
I play when JP makes me go to his house and he games and I have nothing to do.
Is it? It's supposed to taste like boba.
Yeah, it just tastes like a milk tea.
Okay, let's open this. Milk tea. High regard.
Is there tapioca inside?
It's shaped as a tapioca.
Oh. Ding. Oh, it smells like it. Mmm. Interesting. Try. I can't even see. It smells like those bottled milk teas. Interesting.
I charge it with my map.
Now I know there's hope for me. Yeah, you found her, and now I know there's hope for me. 'Cause love is something you two make me believe.
Look at the baby. Imagine he's like, no photos. Wow. He's running away.
You got the summertime love. I work for your heart all night till the dawn. You stay when they switched up. I know you're the one. They go and they come. You like the summer breeze.
I'm usually free on Sunday.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
We have to take turns being on call. It's like once every 5, 6.
We all have canvas bags. You can't see me smile. So cute. We're leaving now.
Summertime love. I work for your heart all night till the dawn. You stay when they switched up. I know you're the one. They go and they come. You like the summer breeze through the trees. You like a getaway. It's you and me. You like the summertime love. You like the summertime love.
All 4 seasons I've been chasing you. Running around the subject. I'ma find the truth, yeah. Playing it coy, but I'ma weather through it. Calling me a boy.
Oh, you probably didn't wash the thing. Check.
Your first time.
Oh. I'll check. Oh.
Yeah, it makes it easier for everyone to look like, so I don't know what like. The bet's 10, Carmen. Yeah, I also bought it like 4 times already, okay?
Bought it 4 times.
I think about 3 or 4. Wait. Yeah.
Huh?
You have a flush? Do you have a heart? Do you have a heart? Yeah, she has a heart, yeah.
I won! Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Okay, then I want to open up this package with you guys. It has been sitting here for a while. So I'm just gonna take it in and open her. So I do want to say that Angela Roy did send this to me. I just wanted to share it with you guys. I have worked with Angela Roy before and they're a great company. All of their products are vegan. They hire artisans. I do love watching their videos on Instagram of artisans making their bags. It's just super nice to see something come together. I do like doing things with my hands, so it's nice to see other people doing things with their hands as well. So I'm just gonna open it. They reached out to me. They said that they're coming out with some micro bags, and I like to say that I'm a mini bag connoisseur. I don't think I technically have any micro bags, so I'm actually really excited to see what it's like. But yeah, so far they have 2 styles that are available for pre-order, I believe. It might be available for sale by the time I get this up, but definitely check it out. I will include a link to their website down below. I don't, sorry, the coloring was a little weird. I don't get anything from this. They just sent it to me, that's it. So they have a Share Micro. I have the Share, and I think I got it in the same color, so I'm gonna compare them, and it's gonna be super cute. And they have a Grace Micro, which is like a shoulder box bag. So, let's see. Comes with this. It says New York, Angela Roy, The Rebellion. Super cute. So this is just my order information, and then it has black tissue paper, and it comes in a dust bag. This is Angela Roy. Let's see. I also have a crossbody bag from them. Oh my god, it's so cute. Their packaging is biodegradable. Oh my god! Ah! Oh my god, it's so cute! Since it's available for pre-order, they didn't have that many pictures, but I already like the bigger version of this as the style. So yeah, but the big one is bigger, so most of the times I don't really carry a big bag unless it's going to work. But look at her, she's so cute. So yeah, this is the Share Micro. It is in the light mud gray color, and yeah, they just have the logo embossed here. It has little feet, and then and then the top handle stuff. And let's pull this out. And the Share bag standardly has a zip pocket in the middle, so they have that as well, where they put the strap. I know this brand so well, love them. Give you a little cleaning card for instructions. I'm just going to remove all the plastic and then I'll come back. Wow, so cute. So, are you guys ready? Ah, it's the mama. So cute. So, I think this isn't just the mud gray color, so they do differ a little bit, but I love these kinds of shades. So cute, isn't that crazy? I'm definitely gonna use this one a lot more. I'm so glad that this one came out because it's a micro. So cute. Hope you guys enjoyed that. That was super cute. I love showing you guys the stuff that I get. I think I'm going to eat lunch now. I haven't figured out what I want to eat for lunch. Let's see. Oh, I have bubble tea. Cody bought me bubble tea yesterday. It's tiger sugar. He got me 2. He's on a diet, so I drink them both. But yeah, I saved this one for today because I got it yesterday. It saves okay for 1 day, so yeah, just FYI. But probably drink this a little later. Okay, well, there's some Popeye's chicken left over. Okay, I swear. Oh, let me close this. I have some Popeye's chicken left over, so I'm just gonna bake it and eat that to hold me over for dinner. I swear I don't eat this unhealthy. I've been trying to be more aware of what I'm eating and also being active, but you know, we have fried chicken, so has to eat it, so it's gonna be me. Okay, so I also decided to make some fries with the chicken just because I don't feel like eating the chicken alone. This is the fries that we got. It's 5-minute fries from McCain. It's really easy and it tastes really good too. You can make it in an air fryer or bake it. I'm gonna bake it. It says at 450, 3 minutes each side. So let's do that. Sorry if I'm talking funny. I have a canker sore. There. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna set a timer for 3 minutes and flip it, and then ready to eat. Okay, I think we have enough time. So, fries. Here's our chicken.
I fell for your eyes on the day that they met mine. And what I do to make you smile is not confined to where you are. I saw you're doing fine on your newsfeed storyline, but I know how to fake it too. I ain't mad at you when you say